What it do, man? It's your boy Battle Truth coming to you live and direct from the Battle Truth headquarters, man. Check this out. Debo takes to Twitter and announces that he is taking over Norbes' spot for the time being and running the PGs. He says Norbes had to leave to attend to his family, you know what I'm saying? So he don't know how long he'll be, but the PG is going to run through him. I think this is actually a good move for the URL. I think it's a good move for Debo. I think it's a good move for Debo, man. And I like this move, man. And I think Debo could push the challenge harder than Norbes. I think Debo is more business-minded than Norbes is to this point, that he at least take it more serious. I think for the most part, I just felt Norbes really didn't care about the PG, that it just was a money thing. And even though things are about getting money, I understand that, but you also have to take a love in the sport too also, and care about the people who you booking and make appropriate matchups. And I think Debo, man, will do very well in this department, man. And I think one of your first order of business, Debo, should be this, man. I mean, one of the first order of business is to be this, man. I want to see Jim and Rome. You got to put that battle together, fam. Real talk. Book Gems and Rome. It's a PG battle. It can't hurt nothing. In fact, it may get more views than any other PG battle that you book. This is why I said this, and I said this before. First of all, Rome been working for the URL for a long time. Rome do know how to rap, got bars, but Rome brings something different to the table that a lot of PGs don't bring. Him and Gems. Not only if they both know how to battle rap, but they both bloggers also. So they got their own fan base also. And not only that, people want to see them lose. So if you put two guys together who people want to see lose, first of all, there has to be a winner and there has to be a loser. Where it will fair for both of them. You get what I'm saying? It'll fair for both of them. But for the most part, it'll be very entertaining. Because I'm just keeping it real apart from jokes and comedy. They can rap. They can rap. And I'm being honest. I will watch them two rap before I will watch probably any other PG rap for the most part. I'm just keeping it real because I know it's going to be jokes. I know it's going to be funny. Just even seeing them on the stage face to face with each other, getting tough with each other. That's funny. I will pay $40, $50 just to see that. I'm keeping it real. I'm not cracking no jokes, man. And it's only a PG. It hurts nobody. It hurts nobody. You got to fill out the card anyway. But in fact, I think it will make the card even more of value, fam. I think that should be your first order of business. Let me tell you something else you should do, Debo. That should be your first order of business. Make a PG title, fam. Trust me. Y'all have to initiate championship titles. Make a PG title, fam. I'm keeping it real. Make a PG title. And when you bringing people over like Loso or somebody, give Loso then the PG title and let the top PG or give it to New Jersey Twerk. I think it should be Twerk. Twerk should be the PG championship because he ain't top tier right now. But he definitely a superstar in the making. I think you started out, man. Give Twerk the PG championship title and let him and Loso be the main event of a PG card for the title, man. Come on, man. You got to do different things, man. You got to do different things, fam. And I think you should make your presence felt. Look, you don't know how long you're going to be here, like you said. But for right now, it's running through you. Okay, make it memorable then. Make it memorable then, fam. Now, I like the fact you're in this position, man, and I think your presence is needed in the URL. You already be getting free trips everywhere. You already be getting free trips and stuff everywhere, eating good and free trips. So they was bound. They got to look out, man. They're entitled to do that. You sitting up there breaking up fights and all that stuff, so your presence is needed. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure we not going to see you get hit in the mouth behind the station wagon like it happened to Norbes. I don't think that's going to happen to you. I don't think that's going to happen to you. So you definitely right where you need to be as far as like, man, in a leader position to make a difference. And I think, man, you could turn that whole PG thing around, man. I think you could turn that whole PG thing around. I'm telling you, these are two major moves you should do. Trust me, fam. Turn up. Make it memorable, fam. Make it memorable. And I think that, man, I think you more respected than Norbes is, to the point that when people know you behind it, they're respected and just go that much more harder. That much more harder, just to be accepted and appreciated by you, fam. I'm just keeping it real, man. Giving you real talk. But congratulations to you, man. And also to Norbes, man. You know, to be a stand-up man, to step away from business, to attend to your family. I know he just got married not too long ago. So, man, look, honeymoon's supposed to last for a whole year. That brother said, I'm tired. Oh, you can't get tired. You just got married. It ain't no tired. You got at least kicking 3 years of non-stop fire. See. Look, I'm not fired up. And if I'm marrying you and you my wife, I definitely got to, look, I got to hit that for 10 years straight. I'll be tired after 10 years. I ain't finna wipe you, put the ring on you, you take my name, all that. If I don't think you worthy of the piping, I'm just keeping it real. You my wife? Yeah, this going down. That's why you the wifey. I ain't finna marry nobody I ain't attracted to sexually or appearance-wise, crazy. So therefore, she getting it. She getting it almost every day. The only thing stop this rotation is the menstruation cycle. I'm counting them down. Girl, what you mean? It's 4 days. It's been 5 days. You got 2 more days. I'm already in my boxes on the 8th day. Let me stop. Forgot, she don't like jokes like that. She don't like jokes like that. Even though I'm talking about loving her. See how funny women is? Damned if you do, damned if you don't. I'm talking about making love to her all the time and only her and nobody else. She still got a problem with that. That's crazy. But that's what it is, though. But yeah, all jokes aside, though, I like this fit. I wish Norbes well. Look, Norbes, take your time. Stay gone. Stay gone for as long as you could. Make some more babies and stuff. We gonna be straight without you. We gonna be straight without you. Trust me. We gonna be straight. If anything go wrong, if Debo mess up, do anything wrong, trust me. I DM you, fam. I DM you. But for right now, take your time. You know, if I were you, I wouldn't even watch battle rap. They say Power is on. They say the Empire is on. Some people say that that's a nice show. I think you should catch up on all the seasons. Look, another show. Catch up on all the seasons. I think you should also watch all the episodes of Family Feud, starting from Richard Dawson all the way up to Steve Harvey. Take your time. Take your time, brother. Bob Barker, The Price is Right. Watch all his episodes. Watch all, who been on TV the longest? Oprah. Watch all the Oprah episodes from the first season on up to Color Purple. Watch that Oprah. All the way up to when she had $70 to the Billionaire Woman. Trust me, we gonna be all right, brother. So take your time and tend to your family. Let Debo handle this for right now. And now, let's get down to business. First order of business, Debo, PG championship titles. Let's go, man. Stop playing. Stop playing. You want to work for the URL? I'm the judge at the URL. So now I have to talk to you. Look, don't hate me, brother. Can I do my job? I do my job. PG championship titles, fam. I like you, brother. We talked on the phone a few times. So I'm with you, brother. I ain't going to give you no bad advice. I'm telling you what's real. PG titles, Set that Rome and Gems up, fam. It's cheap. It's a PG battle. It don't cost you nothing. You're not going to lose nothing. You only can gain. You can't lose nothing. It's a PG battle. I think they more popular than any PG you put together anyway, just keeping it real. But this your boy Battle Truth. It ain't my judgment that's in question. It's yours. Championship PG titles, Rome versus Gems. Let's go, man. Let's go, man.